Happy Tuesday. I'm bringing you today a happy mail, which is not my usual scrapping video, but I'm going to bring you some ideas the second week of March. I wanted to unpack this happy mail because it came from our dear Etta, who is just such a sweetheart. I'll put a link to her channel in the description box, but I took it all out of the box because if you know me, you know me. I'm nosy. I had to see what was in it. So I took it all out and looked at it. And then I said, I got to do a video, a thank you video. And I got to show the world what this beautiful woman sent me. So first were these cards. Look at this. From the Christian collection. Aren't these just gorgeous? Let's see. Am I out of focus? What am I doing here? What's wrong? There we go. So they are gorgeous. These appear to be Christmas cards, but we're going to bling them up the way Miss Etta does. We're just getting started, guys. All right, and then next up, this beautiful ribbon. And I'm going to put this on a journal I'm working on. I'll show you guys in the end. It's like she had ESP. She knew what I needed. Okay, stay, guys. Then she made this tag with the cardboard and the mixed media writing spot on the back. And this is absolutely beautiful. Then she sent me, look at these flower stickers. They're like puffy stickers. Those are so cool. So these I'm going to use in the challenge she's got coming up in her Facebook group, which is Planted in His Promises. What I'm growing in God, or I think that's what it is. And then look at this. These are absolutely, positively beautiful. This is with Book Page and Tim Holtz, and a place to write on the back. And one of these had a butterfly, Miss Etta. It fell off. You're going to have to tell me which one this guy came on. I think it was probably this, I'm thinking, but you'll have to let me know. The sky is full of stars, and there's room for all of them to shine. That's a good thing. That's a great thing. And then here she's used some magazine pages and some fabric and just all kinds of stuff to make these beautiful tags. The next one coming up is probably one of my favorites. Look at this. Beautiful paper flowers. Those gorgeous hearts from the Dollar Tree. Some nice lace. Whatever you do, do everything for the glory of God. And then on the back, one of her prayer cards and another heart. But now I urge you to keep up your courage, because not one of you will be lost. That is so pretty. And then look at all of the... Look at that. That one I think was an accident, but it was in there with a cute... I have some of these. I love those little paper clips. So we have those. And I'm telling you, she got this all in one box. And then this. Things to remember. Isn't this cute with the little S&H green stamp up there? And I have some of those. Guys, I have stuff. I need time. And then the little burlap bow. I just love this. Etta's mind is something to be envied. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? The butterflies, place to write. Some writing space, and a little tuck, butterfly, and then the accordion with the envelopes that she, oh no, just writing space. I thought she had made envelopes. Writing space. Just come in here and write to your heart's content. So writing space, writing space, writing space, writing space. Pocket, we showed. And I just love it. I just love it. Now, I'm not moving super fast intentionally. It's just there is so many things that she put in this box. I couldn't believe it. There's that. And look at the sparkly letters with the bling bling on it. I will definitely, it's letters and numbers, 130 letters. I love it. I love it. So that'll be used. And then here's some more of the 3D stickers. Look at these. Those are gorgeous. I just love those. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then here's another set. Hands craft love and hearts. And all kinds sweet. Beautiful. Look at the little heart. Absolutely beautiful. So I'll be putting these to good use. Whoops, there's my glue. Especially when you know that I got all of these from Miss Jenny. So they're going to keep me busy, guys. They are going to keep me busy. Look at this one. The butterfly. And the postage. I mean, you could, I think that is already a stamp. Yes, that's already a stamp. Good. Beauty. Loves. Beautiful. Look at this. The old wood burning stove. The teapot. Enjoy the ride. Paris. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Everything she sent was beautiful. We got some guest checks. And then a little piece of bling on the back of that one. I'm not sure. Like I said, Miss Etta, where all of these, like some of it came off during the passage. But look. Guest checks. And then the Collimer pad. I love green. I love green. And then some envelopes. I love the way these envelopes feel. They're the real smooth ones. Beautiful. And then these. These. So I have a project coming up that I'm going to use these for. First thing I got to do though is see, some of them have red on the back and then green on the front. Some of them have lines on the back, I think, or they're just blank. But I needed the time cards. I was cutting some other stuff, but it just wasn't working out. I mean, it was, but it won't work out as nicely as those. And then she's made this pocket with all the writing space. She's a beautiful woman who makes beautiful things. Look at this. This is special. I just love it. With the wavy paper. I absolutely love it. And then she sent me some doilies. Something fell. Let me find it, guys. What fell? What was it? I know. Maybe it was this. That's the only thing I don't recognize. It was this. Look at this. She knows how I love my burlap. And then here's another good pocket. More writing space. Love it. We're getting to the, get this, be curious. Yes. It's got lace and cardboard. More lace. A fussy cut. A coffee dyed doily. And then your writing space. She's amazing. And then she made this. Oh, that's, I'll bet you that's where the other one came from. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll put them all back together. Miss Etta, yeah, that one's going to go over there. Just like that. And I just got cutting some of these out. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. All right, now we're getting into the next stage of absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. And I'm so... Okay, I will tell you about this, guys, later on, just not right now. We're looking at Miss Etta's stuff right now. All right, so then she sent me this fabric. Isn't this awesome? Look at this. Even this piece is good to have. Yay, Miss Etta, thank you so much. This is thick, good fabric, too. I love it. So if you haven't seen her channel, I will put it in the description below. Look at this. This is like part of a curtain that she's been using for different things. You could take this off. I think I'm going to use it for clusters. I really do. I really do. And then look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I'm thinking this would go nice on the inside of the, the inside of the front page of the journal. That's what I'm thinking. And then this next couple of pieces of fabric is just going to absolutely blow your mind. That is like a gold, almost like a gold lame pattern. Isn't that beautiful? And she sent enough, yes, to do a journal. Yes, she did. And I got ideas for that. Then look at this one. Is that not beautiful? She sent, and this is a big chunk too. This will do a journal. Actually, that would probably do 2 journals. Oh, Miss Etta, thank you. You don't even know. And then she sent some chipboard, which is always good, and a lot of it. So there's me some journal covers. And then she sent me some, this looks like it came out of the family, is it called the Family Traditions? The old magazine. But it's also beautiful. Look at this. I love it. And then there's more of polymer paper, which I love. And then she sent me some really nice dictionary page. Look at this. Oh, no. Can you imagine fussy cutting those? That's going to be amazing. That's going to be amazing. Look at the bird. The bird. We have those in our house all the time. They call them 1,000 legs. We call them house centipedes. And the real centipedes come after them. Those things totally creep me out. Lots of nice things in here, Miss Etta. Lots. Look at the tiger. Look at that tiger. Unbelievable. Another bird. So I am truly blessed. Absolutely 100%. And she got all of this in one box. And she sent some really nice coloring pages. He has sent me to proclaim freedom for the prisoners and recovery of sight for the blind, to set the oppressed free, to proclaim the year of the Lord's favor. Luke 4:18 and 19. Don't get no truer than that. Let the children come unto me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to such as these. Little paper boat. Let them who is without sin among you be the first to throw a stone at her. Look at the hearts. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. Beautiful. The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed, which a man took and planted in his field. Though it is the smallest of all seeds, yet when it grows, it is the largest of garden plants, and becomes a tree, so that the birds come and perch in its branches. Wow. Do not store up yourselves for treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy, and where thieves break in and steal. Set your treasures on the Lord, and in eternal life in heaven. Do not think that I have come to abolish the law of the prophets. I have not come to abolish them, but to fulfill them. Look at the dove. That is gorgeous. The butterfly. And then here is music. Everything is beautiful. What else do we have? The first thing I do every morning. Once she gets settled, I'm going to have to send her, get all excited. That's what happened to me. I saw this. I love to tell the story. Yes. Yes, I asked the Lord. Beautiful. Thank you. I'm going to send her, I've got these 1700s music pages. I'm going to send her a few of those. All right, so then she sent me some cut-aparts. Nice. I wondered where she got these. Look at that. Look, so cool. Oh, the letters. Really nice. Oh, Miss Etta, I feel so blessed. Look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And if you watch her channel, you'll see she pulls out some of the coolest things. And you're like, where did she get that? And then some really nice paper. Double-sided. And then these look like prints, but I think they're cards. Like you fold them. This is a card. But I got a spot for these. Indeed I do. Got a spot for those. And look at this. Now I love stuff like this because I can cut it out and collage it. And then if you guys were watching me do the Griffin and Sabine, the postcards, that's where this will go. And then this is art therapy. God, this paper feels wonderful. I just love it. Here can be another nice postcard dream then do. Very good, very good. Here's another postcard. Oh, Miss Etta, you're going to keep me busy. Tie a knot and hang on. I love it. And then look at this. Trust today. Oh, trust yourself. I watched my hand. The left side of my brain wanted everything in straight lines and little tiny boxes, but the right side of my brain would jump for joy at the thought of creating art from next to nothing. Absolutely. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. And then some beautiful, I want to say they're like mannequins wearing the old vintage clothing. But they are gorgeous. These will find their way into a signature. Wow, beautiful. And then look at the wedding. Look at the wedding gowns. Oh, that is nice. I am so impressed, Miss Etta. Thank you. And then she sent me tickets. I can't thank you enough. I know this was a bit of a long video, but look at all of the stuff I had to get through from Miss Etta. So you guys, I encourage you to go over and watch her channel and give her some support. She will keep you entertained for days and days and days. And she's a sweetheart, and she's talented, and she needs to be everybody's friend because she's good at it. Thank you so much, Miss Etta. You guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.